Magluto na.
Okay.
Sige. Imagine na ako TV show, cooking show. Let's welcome Myat cooking show. Alright. So tell me what you're cooking.
I'm making a sauce for the turkey. I think. Where's the chopping board? I think.
We're here at Myat's cooking show.
Hello, chopping
Featuring
board.
Katrina, the cameraman girl, and Myat, the cook.
Noise. I'm gonna wash this.
She's gonna wash the knife and let's see how it goes.
I'm gonna slice some tomatoes. Can you say tomatoes? Slice some tomatoes.
Don't mind the background because it's
Okay. I'm gonna slice the tomatoes.
and be careful with your quick come on.
I'm careful with it.
Yeah.
Fucking shit. I'm careful with it.
Yeah.
Fucking shit. I'm careful with it.
Alright.
Another more tomatoes.
He's not with a strong and extra. Alright. So mate, what is that?
Can you say tomatoes?
Tomatoes.
Hello there, camera.
So you're like in Australia now. That's right. It's creaky. And then ayo ha. Get careful.
Okay, sure. Another tomatoes.
Wow. A lot of tomato.
What? Can you say tomatoes again?
Tomatoes. Ever tomato. Well, as you know, Myat is a famous chef from Huuubs, Australia. And Dorset, and wow, I have a great ham. And that ham for cooking.
Where's the fucking tomato sauce?
And no idea.
Ooh, la la. We don't have pepper.
Too bad, I like pepper.
Oh my god. I'm swelling, aren't I?
Yeah.
What's
wrong with them?
What are they talking about?
They're talking about.
I'm from Canada.
She's from Canada, she's talking Australian, she's weird.
I'm fucking. What? I'm fucking from Canada.
Canada, is that the accent?
No.
Oh.
No. It's a boat in Canada.
A girl from Canada with an Australian accent.
Hello there.
Hello there. Be careful with your
Are you
hands.
taking a video, a picture?
Yeah, and a video. Isn't it
Can you take
obvious?
a picture of me?
I don't think so.
Change it to picture.
Later. Okay, post. Take care pic.
Wait.
So what are you cooking again?
I'm making a salsa for our potato chips. I think.
So where's the potato chips? I didn't see any
over there.
potato
It's
chips.
over there.
Really?
I think they're drunk or something like that.
Is that potato or tortilla chips?
No, it's a potato chip. It's cheap or something. They don't have a budget or something.
Can you show me the potato?
So I'm making tomatoes.
You're making a tomato for how many minutes?
I don't know.
It's for ages.
Whatever. I'm just slicing this freaking tomatoes.
You're a good slicer. You know.
Yeah.
I can see you're an expert.
Can you like
slicing.
take a video of the beach? Because I know it's a very good.
I think the beach is not. It's very dark and I can go there. So,
What time is it right now?
I think it's 4 in the morning. I don't know.
So what are we doing with this? So
I have no
slice
idea.
tomatoes.
You're the
I think
chef.
I'll wash my hands or something.
Why? You have to wash your hands after. doing some of that shit.
I think I have to slice some tomatoes.
Let's have a commercial break here.
Hello there, commercial break.
And you got commercial break at this guy's here. And we are here at Nessa and Angie talking about, I don't know. Yeah, girl. They're talking about something. Alright. So let's go back to Myat's nacho, whatever stuff she's making. Okay. Rock on.
Hello there.
She's back here at the nacho, whatever. And then, I don't know what she's doing, but she's still slicing tomato. I think this show is like how to slice a tomato. And yet, are you just gonna slice a tomato? Are you just gonna, slice a tomato forever? Can you show us how to slice an onion so that, take a break. Right now, Myat doesn't know what she's doing after slicing tomato. So right now she's confused. Alright.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Let's see how.
Say what up?
What up? Alright. It's weird because a tomato and a tomato sauce being slapped together. It's like tomato with tomato-ness and tomato, like tomato sauce and tomato. Okay. The ingredients of this tomato and tomato
sauce
and
tomato sauce and tomato.
Wow, that's a great choice.
Can you say up top?
Up top.
Up here.
Alright. So how does it taste, Myat?
I don't know. Let's make people taste it.
Alright, she's making a tomato sauce with a tomato.
Are you sure you're?
It's a unique recipe.
Are you sure you're taking a video out of it?
Yeah, it's very obvious. Look at
Can you say what up? Can you say what up? What up? I'm opening the tortilla chip.
So right now I don't know what time is it, but it's like 4 a.m. in the morning, and then people are drunk. But I'm not drunk. Yeah, obviously. And then this is how people used to do when they're drunk. My friend Arlo.
I'm teasing it.
What's his name? Arlo?
Jumo and Algie.
Aljan and Jumo and
Diba, taugama sa podcast, taugama?
What? Crips?
Dili. Masa yun ang podcast sa? Diba, podcast sa taugama?
Oh, they
RM.
tacos, bitch.
Tapos,
So they're gonna try the tortilla and Myat's recipe.
What's up, homie?
Yeah, homie, nigga.
I like this.
How does it taste?
thank you for the
Myat's
effort,
tomato
but so
recipe.
I feel.
They wanna ask what's her ingredients.
What's your ingredient?
I don't know. I'm just slicing tomatoes and opening the tomato sauce.
Tomato.
Any garlics, man?
No.
What the fuck? Onions, man?
Whatever.
Epic feel, guys.
Salmonella is salmonella. Wait, are you?
Myat's superb tomato
Nag-hard
sauce.
ako mga brands.
Healer!
Hey, Kat,
Mali ako mga brother from another mother.
Let's party. Let's go there. Hello, wait, what?
Akong Nessa.
Alright, we're here. Yeah, rock on. We're here at the crib. And they're talking about life, life is a bitch. But anyhow, they're gonna taste the tortilla and Myat's rocket sauce.
Okay, you're sure? Fuck that shit.
But anyway, Myat is a great cool. Yeah, but oh yeah, she forgot the beef.
Okay, again, beef.
She forgot the beef.